Layla, and today we're going to be making some nemo cakes. The first step, we take the sugar and we put it in here. It's 230 kilograms? Grams. 230, yeah?
Yeah.
One egg, 2 egg, 3 egg, 4 egg. We're gonna have lots of cakes. Oh, that's a big one. This could be the shark one because we need a big little one for the shark. Now you're gonna put them in the oven. At the bottom is a little story. I know the story. I'm gonna start off with the starfish. Okay, I'm done. She's a bear. Oh, I know how to draw it. Just do it. Ah, so nice. So, these are all the animals we have. We have Dory here. We have an octopus here, a starfish here. And then there's like two things, and another one here, another one, and red one here. We have Nemo's dad. We have Nemo. We have a shark, and that's all the ones we have. Some of them have chocolate chips on for the ocean. I mean, icing. There's so much icing on, I can't wait to try one. Once upon a time, there was a fish called Nemo. One day, his dad lost him and he had to search the entire ocean. Nemo, he was going with these people. They put him in a fish tank. Then the entire sea found out all about it. Then, when this bird found out, he knew where the people were. He flew there. He met Nemo and he said, "Hop out of there and I'll take you to your dad." But then one of the persons came and shooed the bird away, closed the window, and Nemo was like, "No, who else is going to help me?" And he went to the back of the tank and started crying. Then one of the other fish that was in the tank went to go and talk to Nemo. As they were talking, Nemo felt a little bit better. But then he went to the front of the tank and they all told him that the people was the dentist, and they told Nemo the dentist man had a little girl and she put all the fish down the drain. I mean the toilet. Then they told him that won't happen to you as long as this plan works. He had his own plan, but it didn't work. The next day, it was 1.5 hours until the girl would arrive. They tried this plan to make the tank dirty, but then the dentist man, they were asleep, figured out where his book of the tank was. He had a special cleaner that water come in, and he has a book about it, and there was a scanner to make it clean. And then half an hour later, they didn't have a plan, and the girl was here to get Nemo. And Nemo was so scared. He was like, "Oh no, what should we do? I'm so worried. What am I gonna do? Shall I hide at the back of the tank? I do not know," said the starfish. Everyone said, "I do not know," that was in the tank. And then she sat down for Nemo. And then Nemo went onto the tiny little desk and he tried to unknot the knot. He unknotted the knot of the bag and Nemo finally got out. He tried to get out of the place, but he couldn't. And then the bird arrived again and he scared the little girl. Nemo was like, "Yes, or here." And then he went flying into the room. the dentist man tried to get him out, but he didn't stop until one of the fishes in the tank went to go onto the desk where Nemo was. The other fish said, "Are you alright?" Nemo said, "Yes, I am. How am I going to get out? I do have an idea, but it might not work." Good ends. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.